Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Rellenong Baboy, focusing on a delicious stuffed pork belly roll. First, choose a boneless pork belly slab, ideally around 6 pounds, ensuring the skin is intact. Use a very sharp knife to poke through the skin all over, then flip the belly and deeply score the meat side. This helps the flavors penetrate. Finally, generously rub the meat with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, let's create the aromatic stuffing that gives Rellenong Baboy its incredible flavor. You'll need about 6 cloves of minced fresh garlic, 1 medium red onion thinly sliced, and 4 stalks of fresh lemongrass, crushed to release their essence. Some also add green onions and bay leaves for extra depth. Evenly spread this fragrant mixture over the scored meat side of your pork belly, pressing it into the cuts. Now for the exciting part, rolling and securing your Rellenong Baboy. Carefully roll the pork belly tightly along its longest side, making sure the flavorful stuffing remains nestled within. For the tightest roll, you can use a few metal skewers to hold it in place. Then, firmly secure the entire roll with butcher's twine, tying it tightly between each skewer to ensure it holds its shape beautifully during the roasting process. Finally, it's time to roast your Rellenong Baboy to crispy perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the rolled pork belly on a roasting rack over a pan containing about 4 cups of water. This helps keep the meat moist. Roast for approximately 3 to 4 hours, gradually increasing the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit during the final hour to achieve that irresistible, golden brown, crispy skin. Let it rest for 15 minutes before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.